Welcome to this tutorial on tips for Revolut crypto trading. Revolut is a popular financial app that allows users to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies, making it a great platform for those interested in crypto trading. To start, it is essential to understand the basics of cryptocurrency trading, including the different types of cryptocurrencies, market trends, and trading strategies. Revolut supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, allowing users to diversify their portfolios. Before you start trading, make sure you have a solid understanding of the fees associated with Revolut crypto trading. Revolut charges a small fee for each transaction, which can vary depending on the type of cryptocurrency and the user's location. One of the most important tips for Revolut crypto trading is to set a budget and stick to it. It is easy to get caught up in the excitement of trading, but it is crucial to only invest what you can afford to lose. Another key tip is to keep your Revolut account secure. This includes using a strong password, enabling two-factor authentication, and being cautious of phishing scams. When it comes to trading, it is essential to stay up to date with market trends and news. Revolut provides a range of tools and resources to help users stay informed, including real-time price updates and market analysis. Diversification is also crucial when it comes to Revolut crypto trading. This involves spreading your investments across a range of different cryptocurrencies to minimize risk. Finally, it is essential to have a trading strategy in place. This could involve setting stop-loss orders, limit orders, or using a dollar-cost averaging approach. By following these tips and staying informed, you can make the most of Revolut crypto trading and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always do your own research, set a budget, and stay secure to ensure a successful trading experience.